Alright, here we go. I'm switching out the BCG on a upper I got. That is a Bear Creek BCG bow carrier group. I'm just going to do a function test. Alright, here we go. Function test. I'm done trying to keep up with the sweat. I don't care anymore. I'm just doing a function test on this Bear Creek bow carrier group. And we're about 100 yards. If I remember right, I think this thing's shooting a little low. Working. Yep, I was right. It was shooting a little low still at 100 yards. Was that almost a 7-inch group? Iron sights. Well, you got that one flyer way hanging out there to the right. But everything else is all within about 7 inches, so that ain't too bad. Great rifle. If y'all are wondering, that's just standard. And then this is just a clip-on up here on top. I was looking for these receivers, the retro. I guess I'm retro, but I was looking for these, so I just found this a few years back, and that's what I got. I like it. I haven't done anything to it. I ain't even moved it, adjusted it. I just know it's shooting low. Got to aim a little high at 100 yards.